Hello little learners! In today's video we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful house. Let's get started. First we are going to draw our house. Draw with me kids. Great! See, our house roof is ready. Now I am going to draw a beautiful door for our house. Now it's time to draw a window. Now I am going to make a circular window. Now it's time to draw a chimney. Great! Now I am going to draw some fence. Now I am going to draw a beautiful tree. Great! It's time to draw some clouds and some birds. Great! Now I am going to add some detailing into our door. Now I am going to enhance our picture. Great kids! See, our picture is ready. Now I am going to choose pink color for our house. Sky blue color for our roof. Blue color for our door. Yellow color for our glass window. Orange color for curtains. Pink color. Purple color for our chimney. Brown color for our fence. Light green color for our tree. Sky blue color for our beautiful clouds. Great! Our picture is ready. So kids, if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.